Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Gmail account using your mobile phone. So this update is mainly for those of you finding it hard to create multiple Gmail accounts. Maybe if you are trying to create Gmail account using your mobile phone, it is telling you to put down your verification number or verification SIM number also, and it is saying you have used this device many times, you have used this phone number many times. I'm still going to show you how you can go about it that is going to work perfectly well for you. So for you to get started, this is what you need to do. But before I continue, please, if you are new to this channel, just help me by hitting on the subscription button, and also make sure to give this video a like. You can share it to your friends also for it to help them in creating unlimited Gmail account. So for you to get started, like I said, this is what you need to do. So first of all, you need to visit settings. Make sure to visit your phone settings and take it down to Google. Click on Google. Alright, so it's going to bring you here. Click on all services, then make sure to take it down, click on phone number verification. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you here. So what you just need to do is to turn this off. Alright guys, looking on the screen, successful. So now what you just need to do is to make sure to get a mobile VPN. So I'm going to recommend either Windscribe or Tunnel VPN for you. So Windscribe is free, Tunnel VPN is free, or if you have any premium VPN, you can also use like ExpressVPN, Uber VPN also. Well, in this video I'm going to use Tunnel VPN because Tunnel VPN is free and it is good to use. So what you just need to do is to make sure to open your VPN app. Okay, so I'll be using Tunnel VPN like I said because it is free and easy to use. Our location is going to be US, so make sure to turn this on for those of you using Tunnel VPN. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, done. So now what you need to do now is to visit your settings again. So make sure to visit your phone settings again and make sure to look for app management or app. So click on app list, or make sure just look for app. So we are going to look for Play Store. Okay, now click on Play Store. So click on storage and cache. Now clear cache and clear storage. Alright guys, done. So what you need to do now is to visit your Gmail. Okay, so make sure to click here. Now click on add another account. Now click on Google. Alright guys, so it's going to bring you here. So what you just need to do is to click on create account for my personal use. Now what you just need to do is to put down your first name and your last name, which the last name is optional. Update. So I'm just going to use update, then click next. So I'm just going to select any random date and day. Okay, put down this, then next. So make sure to put down a Gmail address. So I'm just going to use a random Gmail address for this tutorial sake, then click next. So create a strong password, then you click next. Alright guys, so it's going to show you the email. So now what you need to do is to click next. Now what you need to do is to click this first one. This is choosing one step, then click next. So you can see it's not asking for our SIM number or phone number. So you can see, then click on accept, or it's going to show you something like this. Now what you need to do is to click on confirm. So it's going to bring you here, so make sure to click on I agree. So what you just need to do is to wait for it to process. Alright guys, it's going to show you something like this: Google service, then it's loading, then it's going to take you back to your Gmail account. So this is how you can create a Gmail account. So let me show you guys the account I created. So this is the account I created. So you don't need any phone number to get this account, you don't need any verification code, just follow the process and you can use it to create unlimited account using your mobile phone. So guys, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to know on how to create unlimited account. So for those of you that followed up, thank you, and don't forget to give this video a like. Also make sure to comment if it worked for you. And this is AG Update. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.